Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. On this video I'll be talking about this 129 piece 2 set that I just bought from Kmart Australia in March 2023 for 55 Australian dollars. I will be leaving my comments on this product, my first impressions, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this informational paper just explains a little bit about the features of this product as well as its content. It's not a sticker, so I'll just remove it. Too easy. Here on the top there is a handle, a plastic handle which is retractable and can be put flat. The case is made of plastic, hard plastic. Feels pretty good to me, and it has good gripping. It has a texture, I hope you can see on the video. Looks pretty simple, as it should be for a product on this price range. The plastic is of good quality. It doesn't seem to have any closing gaps or anything that would compromise the quality and the closure of this case. So yeah, seems very good to me. There are two opening tabs that you need to pull up for opening the case. Done. And then we finally can have a look inside. Let's begin from the top corner. Here on the left we have 6 screwdrivers from different sizes. They all have these handles in red and black. They seem to be very comfortable to hold and have good gripping. 3 of these screwdrivers are Phillips, 3 are slotted, and there is also this adapter with the same handle, and this adapter is made to be used with these screwdriver bits that we're going to talk about later. There are 3 pairs of pliers, 1 diagonal, 1 combination, and 1 long nose. There is also this sort of adapter. I don't know exactly what this is for, but looks like an extensor or an adapter. In here there are 4 precision screwdrivers, 2 Phillips, 2 slotted. They seem to have like a metal handle. This bit here is not my favorite, but very standard. Here on the right corner there is a adjustable wrench, and down below there are 39 screwdriver bits from different sizes and shapes, and they have the specifications and sizes and shapes imprinted on the case that contains them. I'll put it back in there. Finally, there's a vise wrench right here on the bottom. Moving to the bottom part of the case, there is a ratchet socket driver, which seems to be of reasonably good quality. A hammer, a tubular hammer with a plastic black handle. A number of sockets from different sizes. I believe these 2 rows have 22 of them, and on these 2 rows there are 18 sockets. I'll pull one out so you can have a look, or a closer look. Moving on, there is a spark plug socket. It says 60 millimeters SP, which I believe stands for spark plug. Alright, let's put it back. There's also a 3-meter measuring tape. Two extensors or adapters, which again I don't know exactly what they're for, but one's small, the other one is a little bit longer. Next, there are 2 sets of these hex key wrenches, one in black and one in chrome. And finally, 10 of these combination wrenches. I'll just pull out one so you guys can have a look at the shapes. Drop force steel. Yep, again, 10 of these. And this is basically it. Everything that comes in the case looks neat, organized, well built, a good variety. It's important to mention that this is not a professional tool set, so don't create many expectations around it. I believe this is recommended for small works around the home, in the car, but again, it's not a professional tool set. It does not have the quality of more expensive tool sets. The only thing that I've noticed about this product, and that could be considered by some a downside, is that the case doesn't seem to hold the parts very tight in their place, and that means that when you move the case around, the parts can come out of their place, and you will find especially the sockets like this out of place after moving the case around or transporting it in the car, whatever. But in general, it's a very good case. This is the only thing that I've noticed that could be sort of annoying for some of you. I think it's pretty okay for a 2 set this cheap, 55 Australian dollars. So I'm overall happy with my purchase, and I would totally recommend these 2 set for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.